Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at MU on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We're going to use technical analysis to try to figure out which way this thing could possibly be going. I guess they had earnings, pops up. I want to show you there's a trend line back here. Connect the highs. You have good resistance coming up. You also have good resistance here from this breakdown bar. Nice retrace up to the 750. That's where you're pulling back. We did have an area right around 30 bucks where you could short this thing and possibly fade it. If you go to the 10-minute chart, we posted this yesterday evening at Thursday, saying, hey, if this thing hits 30 bucks around that area, it could possibly fade. The post is on StockTwits, all that stuff, so check it out. Did exactly what we said it was going to do. You know, this is just resistance, guys. It's not like I'm making this stuff up. Resistance from this big red bar, some consolidation. We have 28.34, which was a good area. A lot of times it overshoots, goes to the 30 even number. It's the 29.73 fib. A lot of resistance down here. If it continues up, it will go, right in this area around 33.94 and 36 double top. You still have this area here around 31.40 and then this little pivot here around 32.76. But again, waiting for pattern. If you go to the daily, which is the shorter time frame, the daily was coming off of a bullish pattern above the MAs, pops up on earnings, hits our level, boom, fades back, closes right here at 28.34. So it's sitting on top of that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, this big area right here. So this, which was once resistance that it went through to get to up here to this resistance, then it pulled back real quick and came right back and rested on top of support now. So that's why that stopped there. If the markets were to sell off, this will go lower. Let's go back to the bigger time frame, which is the monthly. So basically, if the markets go up, this should continue up into here. If the markets go down, starting to sell off next week, then expect this thing maybe a little bit more on earnings and people, the small retail trader buying up here because, oh my gosh, it's MU. This thing's, they said 45 bucks on CNBC. They don't realize that the markets go down overall, then this will head down with it too. But, a couple days of earnings hype. We get a dull market on Monday, Tuesday, this could possibly move up a little bit, so watch for that. Again, I don't care, guys. Bull or bear, don't really care. For me, this would have been the time to buy. I didn't catch that down there. Right here, this would be the time for me to short or start adding around here and then save a little bit more for there, get the cost average around 33 bucks. This is a nice extended play. You hit double top, this thing should really pull back if this area here doesn't already, have a nice little pullback. Pullback area, you might go to 20 bucks, 8 bucks. But if you get 4 bucks on this trade, 5 bucks, maybe come down to this green bar here, 24 bucks. So that's about a $4.50, $4.50 trade. That's not a bad trade. Options, maybe buy $1,000 worth. If you double it, get the hell out. Just, call it quits. For me, guys, I don't care. Bull or bear, doesn't matter to me. Right now, I got my bear costume on. That's how I'm playing these markets. And I'll show you one more thing before I go. This is the reason, guys. I don't make this stuff up. I don't want to argue with you guys, whatever. Look, .com, housing crash, QE 1, 2, 3, central banks out of control, printing money. Next, it's coming down, guys. And when it does, it's going to take everything down with it. Just be careful. It's just a matter of when. Go to my charts, watch my stuff. 242, I still have 252, 242 penciled in just in case if it does go up. Still a couple more areas on the SPY. That's why everything's a market trade, guys. This is setting up for lower prices, period. If that goes lower, I don't care what stock it is, everything's going lower. All right, guys, hey, thanks for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Follow me on StockTwits, all that good stuff. I'm out here trying to get good trades, guys, off of technicals only. I don't care what else happens there. We're short-term traders, long or short. Right now, we're mostly short. But again, in the near future, we will have our bull costumes on. It doesn't matter. I just want to be in a good trade, long or short, and make money. All right, thanks again, guys, for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.